away just a little over a year ago in Maine. And he was a great poet, a great photographer, superb poet, and an excellent artist. And he had his doctorate from NYU, and he used to go to the Four Corners area summer after summer. And he would use all sorts of sands, and people would give him exotic things from all over the world that he used in his art. And there's one of his little works under one of mine, which is rather in black there. He did almost that whole work with his thumb, that little piece. We would exchange work, and we'd go out to the pine lands and the pine barrens and work. In fact, over on the piano, there were one or two T-shirts that we did out in the pine barrens with berries and all sorts of things. And you can look at those. I hope maybe Rosie could put one on. Lydia, I get my revenge, as we call it. Or the aprons. There are also aprons there. So, now, I also collect stones from Newton Creek and from the Cooper River, from all the places. And I believe some of these were probably tools of the Indians. There are wonderful ones I've been collecting those, and they're starting to be used in my work. This is a rubbing over a maple tree. I put all these things here just to give an idea of the variety of materials, etc. This here, I may as well take it right up. You can see how it was. Ritually, I would take these large sheets of rag paper, put them on the tree and staple them, and then take black walnuts in their early stages and dip them in India ink. I didn't wear gloves, of course, otherwise I wouldn't have fingers anymore. And then I rubbed into the tree. And you can see here I rubbed very widely. And the red maple is one of my favorite trees because it has a very, very irregular and expressive bark. And that figure I call the eagle here is also red maple. And this piece out here in the front, if you look in front of the piece of American Beach, is from that same tree on which that is done. If you look at it closely, you have the same sort of eagle silhouette. So I used to go around walking, and I take my sketchbook and take notes maybe for days on choose different trees, and that's how I found the trees. So I have favorite trees that I visit all the time, all over the area. And I'll show you, some of these I notated on as soon as I did them, so I knew what I used. This was by the Cooper River, near the pagoda in Cherry Hill, red maple tree, tree marrow, onion grass, India ink, and a bit of coffee and husk juices from the black walnut. April 2005, you see. So that's what's precious to me. Every so often I would take real notes, and that helped me in the development of the whole project. Now, come up here, young lady, and we'll show you. This is one of the shirts. Now, this is pokeberry here. You can see the redness in it yet. It's a bit fugitive, but it's not completely.
Did you call me a fugitive?
Possibly. With your dogs, you might be. And I have some of the same processes as in this. So turn around.
And if you get it dirty, you only have to wash it every...
Now, on this one, the word love.
Oh,
And
perfect.
there, way over there in the far corner, is a framed picture that was done on the same tree. And that love was probably carved into the tree maybe 100 years ago, I bet. Because, you know, the tree is the skin of the carcass, is really the skin of the tree that protects it from disease, etc. And that just widened and widened and widened. Now,
I love it, Joe.
yeah. And the red here is industrial. That's water-soluble pastels. They're made in Switzerland. They're called Caron d'Ache, the French Swiss. And that's what the red is. I just rub it in and then take a bit of water on the brush, and it remains permanent. They're beautiful colors. They're expensive, but they're beautiful. Now here are some of the spices, etc., that I used. Turmeric here, which is pretty strong spice. And that's from the root of the turmeric. I don't know if it's a plant. It's a plant, of course. And it's taken there. They're almost like little sweet potatoes, I think. And they make powder. And they're all through this. All the yellows here are turmeric. All through this. And there is quite a bit in that big picture also.
Joe,
And-
did you make 10 cloths?
I'm sorry?
You made 10 cloths?
Well, I'm on the 10th one. The cloths are the last stage. I started those in 2009. And these are the first 3 in the series. And if you take all 3 together, that probably took a year and a half of work. Because I would do other little things on the side, but they were the big things. And the one way over here is a rubbing. It started as a rubbing over a big, very beloved pin oak that was in front of our house. It was, when we first moved there in 1961, it was just over the telephone wires, and then later it was good. It was never very high, but it was a beautiful tree. And then there was that bug, right, that has devastated the trees. You would see X's all over town. And they finally decided we were going to cut that down, so I said, well, I asked them when, so I scurried and put a ladder against the tree and put the cloth up and stapled it to the tree and used a lot of the same processes as here. Now, in that, there's also turmeric, and I made imprints of the pin oak leaf. You see, I sort of put one with a coronation, so to speak, around it. It's with, like in the yellow. So that's a typical pin oak leaf. And then there are a few others. And behind it, you see, if you put the 2 sections behind it together, they were the actual stump after the tree was cut down. And it's about 5 feet in length, that stump. And I was telling some friends here a little while ago that one day, before they uprooted the stump, after they had cut the tree down, after I had done my work, I looked out the window around 11 in the morning, and there was this little neighbor about maybe 5, 6, and his little girlfriend of 7, maybe 6, and they had a little table and 2 chairs, and they set them up and were having a little picnic on the stump. So I keep that in my mind. It was so beautiful to see them. They were children have a sense of the sacred and of ritual that we often lose when we become adults. And they're not at all subconscious about it, and they're self-conscious about it. So, and that piece I call the totem. And if you look closely, you will see almost figures of animals and masks and such, going from the top down. And you'll find other figures suggested in the stump as well. And so I have saffron here too that I've used. There's no